So now I will tell you some of the reasons to buy my course. So there are so many courses out there on Udemy and also on other platform. So how is my course different from other courses? So my course contains from fundamentals to the intermediate part, which contains top OWASP vulnerabilities, and this course also teaches you how to script the Python programming language, which includes Python fundamentals, and also most of the these vulnerabilities you can find using this Python programming language. So this programming language offers full flexibility than the tools like Burpsuite, Puff, etc. So the ability to script Python on yourself will be extremely very helpful in some situations where you need to do the things that normal tools cannot. Suppose Burpsuite has professional edition, which contains intruder with the multiple threads, and also it contains some features that is only available for the professional edition. So it costs around $300-400 for that. So if you want to learn Python, and you can learn Python and you can automate all the stuff that Burpsuite Professional offers. The Burpsuite Professional edition is kinda easy to use because it's a professional edition which costs you some $300. But Python, you need to understand how the things work, like how the websites work, and also you can also use this Python request module and also Beautiful Soup to scrape the data dynamically, and you can automate the things. So suppose like CSF token, if you want to brute force and the website is having the CSF tokens, then what you can do is you can scrape the CSF token for every request and you can send them in the request. So in that way you can automate the things that you can do with the Python easily. So this Python automation will be very much helpful in finding the bugs. So you can see all of these contains the course. You can see the syllabus here, and also more content will be added from time to time. Also here you can see the download section. So here I have placed the link to my repository. So if you click on this, you can go to the download option. You can go and clone this repository. So that's all I have to say to you. So these are the reasons to buy this course. If you are starting the pen testing or web pen testing or bug bounties, this course might be very good for you. It also teaches you the main Python. So I have very much focused on Burpsuite, Python, and WFS and Puff. So you don't be a tool kiddie. You won't be a tool kiddie. Just there will be so many bug bounty hunters who just uses tools and try to automate using the Linux bash shell scripts and etc. But if you want to automate in like most flexibly, this Python is very very helpful. So that's why Python was included in this course. Also more and more contents will be added from time to time.